Hi friends! I made tinctures literally in my room. I used the Nova FX to decarb and infuse. Use the M to navigate and press the power button to set it. I added about 4.5 to 5 grams of product and set it to A1 to decarb. I like to light some incense because there is a faint vape smell like from a volcano, but nothing too overpowering. Once it's finished decarbing, the light will be green. That looks pretty good. Now, time to pour the MCT oil in. I use 2 cups of MCT oil and explain on my blog why I use MCT oil instead of coconut oil. Definitely have a paper towel nearby if you spill a little, because I definitely did. Cover firmly and use the M to navigate to infuse. Set it again with the power button. The button will be green when ready. I seriously wish you guys could smell this. I personally love the smell and flavor of flower. This looks so good. Now it's time to strain the product. You're traditionally supposed to use a cheesecloth, but I couldn't get one because we're in the middle of a pandemic. So I used a small strainer and a mason jar to store. Pour really, really slowly and carefully. I may or may not have spilled some here too. You know I tried to save it though. I definitely put a cheesecloth and funnel on my list for the next batch. I got questions on this last time, and you don't have to grind anything up before putting it in. So cool, right? Last, you're going to want to separate the pulp. I used the leftovers in my edible cake. Make sure you get as much oil out as possible. I use a mason jar to keep it fresh. I'm going to also reuse some old tincture bottles for more specific dosing. From my crowdsourced math from my Instagram story, this whole mason jar should be around 750 milligrams. Stay tuned for my next video on how I baked my birthday cake. Thank you guys for joining, and I can't wait to see you next time.